T. T. Rohan. T. Rohan. Rohan use no mics. Okay. Pawan, you speak. Pawan. No mic. Okay. Vivian Varun. Can you speak, Vivian Varun? Varun, Vivian Varun. Vivian Varun, you speak. Pawan, you reply for this? Pawan,
and when you second was in the country. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಸರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಈ ತರ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜಾಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಇದೆ.
Is anyone reply? The response is the PPT slide visible? Subramanya. Niharika. Okay, I got it. T. Rohan, fine.
ಲೋಕಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ.
Okay. Zoom, everything is right, audio and video. If anything, something goes wrong, you have my phone number. Intimate to me by calling over phone. So this is a number of like a circuit diagrams you are seeing. These are the boilers. This is a generation of steam using a forced circulation, high-end supercritical pressures. High pressure boiler, supercritical boiler, almost both are same. Only the values will be still higher in the supercritical pressures. Additional components will be attached. Okay. However, these boilers, Smith-Hartmann boiler, Velox boiler, Lamont boiler, Loeffler boiler, Benson boiler, Ramsyn boiler. Ramsyn boiler is a supercritical boiler. So these boilers, 6 boilers, so you have to learn this line diagram, flow diagram, line and flow diagram of flow of steam diagram. You have to learn. These topics I have asked to teach these topics on boilers. I have requested my friend who is working on boilers only. He is having 25 years of experience on boilers only. So to give more knowledge on this one, to teach delivery, to deliver this teaching from the industry person, I have requested my friend to teach on this one by under the scheme partial delivery by industry person. Okay. So after some few days, he will be delivering a teaching talk on these boilers. So time being, we will skip this one. Then we'll let us go to the next person, next topic. So till that is the purpose. I am keeping this pending. These boilers are very important. Among these 6 diagrams, one diagram is guaranteed in the examination. the industry person he teaches for this one. And you will be benefited by industry person teaching. And later on, I will give more details about the industry person and these topics, etc. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Now, okay, this is the one typical two parts packaged fire tube steam generator. Steam generator means it is a boiler only. Steam generator. Steam generator means boilers. Now, the important part in this module 1 is chimney height calculations and the problems on chimney height draught determination or the chimney height determination. So, two problems on chimney height calculations I have covered. Even though specifically in the prescribed textbooks for your syllabus, what they have mentioned, chimney height calculations they did not mention specifically, but it is a common rudimentary to ask chimney height calculations problem on that one. The derivation I have covered. Chimney efficiency derivation, then condition for maximum discharge. Those derivations are absolutely not in your syllabus. You need not worry. Okay, only a little on the border. Extra care we have taken to cover the chimney height calculations, because in the old syllabus it was there. For your new syllabus, in the question paper they are asking. So since it is a practice to ask on this one, it has been covered. You prepare the derivation and the problems what I have done. Now, boiler enema I have told the industry person is going to teach. So major portion of this thermal power plant I have covered. Some additional boiler accessories and mountings. Boiler, not the mountings, boiler accessories are there in your syllabus. That today I will teach you. And among cooling towers, one parabolic type of the cooling tower I will show you how it works, how it cools the steam. With that, we will be completing the module 1. And this chimney, there are two types of chimney: natural chimney and forced mechanical chimney. Mechanical chimney is also called the forced draught chimney. This chimney produces the draft or the draught, that is by mechanical or the natural. The draft systems are two: natural draft and mechanical draft. This draft system is produced by the chimney. So chimney is made up of concrete, steel, and bricks. This is about the chimney. The combustion chamber is the boiler, and the height of the chimney you can see in both the diagram. Okay, this chimney height derivation I have completed. Chimney height and diameter. Here is the chimney diameter calculation. By simple formula also you can determine that one. This condition for a maximum discharge is not there for your syllabus. This is not in syllabus. However, this one formula you just remember to determine the diameter of the chimney. This is not in the syllabus. I hope you are understanding. Chimney efficiency is not in the syllabus. So now let us take this cooling tower. So cooling towers are concrete devices used to cool the steam. The reason of cooling the steam is the water used in the boiler is a filtered water. Filtered in the sense contaminants, sediments are removed. So therefore, the same water has to be circulated inside the boiler. For that sake, water has to be conserved. The water loss has to be avoided. So for that sake, the steam has to be cooled. When the steam is cooled, it is converted into water. That water is once again sent to the boiler. For that sake, see the so big construction cooling towers and cooling tower. This is the figure what you are seeing is the natural draft counterflow cooling tower. Okay. So the hot water from the boiler. Hot water from the boiler enters here through the pipe. So this is the first point. Start from here. Hot water enters here. Then it is raised little bit by using a pump, and it is sent in either direction. Here the distribution system will be present in this section. The distributor nozzles will be present. Here the distributor will be present here. This will spray this hot water like this. It will be sprayed like this. During its spray, the steam will be occupying the large space. It is distributed to the large space. So that is the reason you see the parabolic shape of the cooling tower has been shown. Area will be more. Okay, and atmospheric air is sent here. Look this. Cold air, atmospheric air is sent here. This atmospheric air is rising like this. Okay. And because of the atmospheric air, which is at 25 degrees Celsius, and the spray from the distribution system, and because of the large cross-sectional area, the steam which is sprayed by distribution system will be cooled. When it is cooled, then the steam will be converted into water. That water is collected here. Then water will be condensed, and it is stored here. So this is the cold water basin. water is collected here. Okay. Then, however, some portion of the steam will be present that will be liberating to the atmosphere. Part of the steam will escapes to the atmosphere. These are the vertical ribs, RCC shell, upper stiffening beam. These are all comes under the civil engineering point of view. Don't give much importance about this. These are all civil engineering point of view, and these are diagonal columns. So we are concerned with this distribution system. Now I will erase all these things, then I will highlight what is required. So you have to write like this. I will show you. This distribution, this is important. This is air entering is important, and the water collector is important. Afterwards, you write the parabolic shape like this. So that is how the diagram you can write. And water eliminator, water particles will be eliminated here, and the steam will escapes to this one. I hope it is clear. If anybody having doubt, you have my mobile number. Call to my mobile number. I will answer this question. I will show the required PPT. Then I will answer it. Don't feel. Don't hesitate. Free feel to ask the questions over phone. Now, what are all the accessories? In first year, you have studied mountings and accessories. Mountings are the proper functioning of the boiler. Accessories are increasing the efficiency of the boiler. This is the main difference between accessories and the mounting. The examples of the accessories are superheater, de-superheater, control of superheater, economizer, air preheater, reheater. This air preheater, economizer, superheater, you find in boiler sketches. Okay. So these separately we will see how it works. So this is the economizer. Economizer, as the name says, economy. One should lead an economy life. We should not waste money like that. So that the same meaning has been kept for this device, which is the economizer. How it is economic? How it is economizer? How it functions? You look here now. So water from the feed pump is flowing inside the boiler, and it will be flowing like this. and hot water is going like that. Okay. Now, the gases from the furnace, it rises. These gases will rise. These gases are having heat energy, and that heat energy is transferred to the water which is flowing through the pipe, and thus the water is heated up. That hot water is sent to the boiler, and after losing this, the these gases will further rise in the this one furnace, but it is not led to the atmosphere. These gases not led to the atmosphere. They will be flowing inside the boiler only. So this is the economizer. Is it understand? Now let us go to the, and this is the furnace wall. This is the furnace wall. Now let us go to the gas reheating. The gas reheating is shown here. The steam from the high pressure boiler is taken to the reheater, and it is sent to the low pressure turbine. During that, this is the furnace. This is the furnace. The gases are moving like this. So these gases heats this water. That is why it is called the reheater. Okay. And afterwards, the working cycle they are shown. The superheater pattern. The superheater section is this one. Look this. Don't look at this. See in this direction. This is the superheater. This is the superheater. Now the flue gases are rising like this. It is having high temperature. The water is passing the steam. This is the steam. This steam is taken like this. It is passed through this tube, and that after absorbing heat, that becomes superheated steam that is sent to the steam turbine. This is the superheated steam. This is sent to the steam turbine. Sent to steam turbine. This is how the superheater works. What is the next of superheating is water moisture is removed and there will not be any drainage fraction. The superheated steam behaves like a perfect gas. That's the reason superheated. And there will not be corrosion, erosion will not be there. That's the reason the steam should be superheated. Otherwise, moisture represent corrosion takes place. Pitting of the boiler tubes, turbine blades will happen. Yeah. So cooling towers completed, economizer, superheater completed. Air preheater is similar to economizer, but the air preheater is used to heat the air supplied to the boiler from the flue gases rising at the topmost of the boiler. So this completes the your module 1. If you have any questions, you ask me. Take your phone and call to me. Air preheater I will show you. Simple sketch I will show you. This is the coal. This is the flame burning. It is a boiler. Here, air enters here. Hot air outlet. I have noted down air entrance and hot air outlet. And this air is heated by this hot gases. Flue gas. Now this hot air is sent here. Hot air is sent to furnace. This is the air preheater. This is the air preheater. Did you understand what is air preheater? Air preheater heats the air, and that hot air is sent to the furnace. That's all. And simple sketch you can show like this. Okay. Now this completes the module one from my side is completed. Now let me answer your any questions, doubts, etc. Imagine doubts, clarifications. Answer these quiz questions. Put your answers in the chat box. Then, if you are having any doubt, you can clarify. Otherwise, you can leave.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ? ಸರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಕ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
I'll have to put your answers in the chat box because this will be recorded. This is for to create interest among you, to make you to involve, interact, and also as a token of to some level as a attendance. All have put your answers in the chat box. Those who have answered, you may quit the this one videos software link. Sharanaya Hiremata. Sharanaya Hiremata. Sharanaya, speak. Muhammad Junaid. Muhammad Junaid. Muhammad Junaid.